Hello student. In environmental policies and practices, today we discuss on Convention of Biological Diversity, that is CBD. So first of all, what is biological diversity? The diversity among all the living organisms, that means simply the diversity one. The biological diversity is the degree of variation of life forms within a given ecosystem, biome, or an entire planet. And this biological diversity, it can be measured by two different parameters. Those are alpha diversity and beta diversity. So what is alpha diversity? The alpha diversity, which represents the number of species in a specified area. So those area they will be specified to a specific species one are called as a alpha diversity. Second, beta diversity is nothing but which represents the turnover of species across a space. That means all over the space given to a different species. So these are nothing but beta diversity one. Now we comes on to the Convention of Biological Diversity. That is CBD are nothing but the Convention on Biological Diversity in 1992, the most important international convention related to a biodiversity one, which brought new era in the field of biodiversity. A convention is an agreement or the contract one. The Convention on Biological Diversity is an agreement between countries based on natural and biological resources. That means all flora and fauna they maintain the ecosystem one. So the agreement given to the protection of all the living things in an universe one. Now here, what is the main goal of Convention Biological Diversity? There is the three main goals or the importance of Convention Biological Diversity. So first one is to protect biodiversity. Nowadays, due to a different varieties, those will be given to attack onto the environment. That is, we minimizes the use of by protecting the biodiversity. Then second one, to use biodiversity without destroying it. The human being or the other individuals, they are continuously use all the natural resources they are present in the universe. So they are not altered. So without disturbing one, they are utilized by the human being. Then third one, to share any benefit from genetic diversity to equally one. That means all the populations they given to the specific benefits to all one. Now, why where convention biological diversity is created? Which one are the main important and how they are created? So the biological diversity has become a global asset of tremendous value to present and future generation. That means all the individuals they are use all biological resources. So present and also in a future they are used to a sustainable one. So they are tremendous value given not only today but also in a future one. So for conservation of biological diversity and the sustainable use of its component convention were created in the biological diversity. The Convention of Biological Diversity nothing but the Convention on Biological Diversity, and to determine and conserve sustainably use biological diversity for the benefit of present and future generation. That means our earth or the planet they will be maintained well and given to all the assets to each and every individual they are present on universe. Now here we shortly define the Convention Biological Diversity. The Convention Biological Diversity is nothing but an international legally binding United Nations treaty to deliver national strategies for the conservation and sustainable use of biodiversity. Which one are the different features given for Convention Biological Diversity? Here simply one by one they will be given. The first one, the conservation of biological diversity is a common concern of humankind. Then states have sovereign right over their biological resources. The states are also responsible for conservation and sustainable use of biological resources. That means those biological resources they are used for humankind one, so they are also protect and conserve and use sustainable one. Then the certain human activities have reduced the biodiversity one. In an biodiversity they are given to the activities by a human being, so these activities they should be reduced, so that means we protect or conserve the biodiversity. Lack of information and knowledge about biodiversity and need to develop a scientific, technical and institutional capabilities to protect the biodiversity. So are nothing but the convention biological diversity. Then last one, need to establish the mechanism for a fair and equitable sharing of benefits arise from biodiversity and their related traditional knowledge to each and every individual they are present in a universe. That means be given to the convention of biological diversity. Now just we see which one are the different general measures for conservation and the sustainable use of the convention biological diversity. First, develop national strategies, because the national strategies to give the plan and protect as well as also conserve the biodiversity. So the plans for the conservation and the sustainable use of biological diversity are to adapt for this purpose existing strategies and the plan. The next one, integrate as far as possible and as appropriate the conservation and the sustainable use of biological diversity into relevant spectral or cross-spectral plans and the policies, because the conservation is not only given to the random way. There will be a plan or some strategies they are applied by the states, nations, as well as also the some agencies one. That means we protect and conserve all the biological diversity for not only present one but also in a future. Then identification and monitoring of biodiversity. The number of components biological diversity they are important, so they are identified and give its conservation and use to a sustainable for the future aspects also. Then those they are the components they are monitored and given to a sampling, and also the sampling they will be given by applying the different other techniques. Nowadays there are a different number of the conventional biological diversities. So what about the present status of this conventional biological diversity? There are about 16 countries signed the CBD on June 5th, 1992, and other 141 countries signed the Convention Biological Diversity in Brazil up to June 14, 1992. It came into force on December 29, 1993. That means after the 1 year, those internationally given to a binding a document and they are forcefully applied to the Convention Biological Diversity for conservation and the protection of the biodiversity. Then after in 12 June 1992, the Nepal was signed and those ratified in 23 November 1993 and enforced in 1994. There are a Ministry of Forestry and Soil Conservation is the focal point of the conventional biological diversity, because one of the conservation strategies they are maintained by the Ministry of Forestry and Soil Conservation, and they will be implemented all over through the world. About 189 countries are the participants and 168 countries have been signed the Convention Biological Diversity up to September 2006, and nowadays there will be not yet ratified or the signed the USA. So in this entire video, we just say about what is biological diversity. This biological diversity are nothing but degree of variation of life forms within a given ecosystem and to also in an entire planet. Then after, how we conserve. So they given to Convention of Biological Diversity in an agreement between the different countries based on the natural and the biological resources. The Convention of Biological Diversity is the most important international convention related to the biodiversity and which brought new era in the field of the biodiversity. And the protection of biodiversity and conservation is the main goal of the convention biological diversity. So in this entire video, we see the different aspects with the biodiversity one. Now we see the different questions they are asked for the exam purpose. Here for a definition they will be asked, what is Convention on Biological Diversity? Then same one they will be asked for a short note one. Now we see the multiple choice question. The first one is biological ... is the degree of variation of life forms within a given ecosystem, biome or an entire planet. The options are given: component, diversity and differences. The answer is a diversity. That means biological diversity is the degree of variation of life forms within a given ecosystem, biome or an entire planet. The second multiple choice question, the Convention on Biological Diversity is an agreement between ... based on a natural and biological resources. The different countries, the option is a countries one. So the answer is given, the Convention on Biological Diversity is an agreement between countries based on natural and biological resources. The third multiple choice question is of biological diversity is a common concern of humankind. That is, options are given: degradation, protection, conservation. The answer is given here, the conservation of biological diversity is a common concern of humankind. I think all the aspects with the biodiversity and Convention on Biological Diversity is a well-known understand to all of you.